Hello, ma'am.
Sid Saib ji.
Ma'am, what is your name?
My name is Richa Dasi.
Ma'am, where are you from?
I am from Kanpur, Uttar Pradesh.
Ma'am, why this mankind is really important?
According to we get the human life after transmigrating 84 lakh of species, and it is important because we get human life, and in this human life we can understand each and everything. Our grantha we can understand it, whatever it is written in our grantha, and according to our grantha we have to do the worship, we have to chant the mantra. As in Gita ji, it has been told in Gita Adhyaya 17/23, Om Tat Sat, which we can get from the true sun. And about the true sun, the definition is also given in and mentioned in Gita ji, Gita Adhyaya 4/34. So we have to chant the true mantra according to our Sant, which he will provide us, and that will be related to Om Tat Sat, and we can attain salvation from that. And I want to tell you that if you are not going to worship according to our spiritual knowledge, according to our Grantha holy books, we will not attain salvation, and we will transmigrate again in 84 lakh of species.
Ma'am, as you are saying that true God, true saint, है ना? What is true saint according to you?
According to me and according to our holy books, as it has been mentioned in Gita Ji Adhyay 4 Shlok 34, it has been mentioned that the Gita Gyandatta is saying to Arjun that आप उस परम संत की खोज करो, उसकी शरण में जाओ जो हमारे शास्त्रों के अनुसार आपको ज्ञान बताए, हमारे ग्रंथों के साथ आपको ज्ञान बताए। उन आप तश्रीदर्शी संत की खोज करो और उनको भली बात दंडवत प्रणाम करो, और जो आपके मन में सवाल है आप उनसे पूछो। This all the verses and in Adhyay 4 and Shlok 34 it has been written and mentioned too.
Continuous, you are saying that there is a difference between your saint and other saint. What is the major differences you find in your saint?
Okay, I want to tell you that there is there is a very huge difference between my Sant Rampal Ji Maharaj and other Dharma Gurus. As I want to tell you that my Guru Sant Rampal Ji Maharaj is providing the true knowledge according to our Grantha, as he is giving the knowledge according to our 4 Vedas, 6 Shastra and 18 Puran. And if I talk about the other Dharma Gurus, they are not even opening our holy books and not even showing what had been mentioned there. And they are only telling us to chant Radha Radha Hare Krishna. The people are not getting even the relief from that mantra. So how the people are blindly following that? I can't understand that. So we can get relief from each and everything, like from disease we can get relief. But when you are going under the true Sant and you are making a true Sant, and who is the true Sant, as I have told you before, and if I talk about the other gurus, they are just giving the wrong mantra. Because of that, the people are not getting relief and they can't attain salvation. If I talk about the many Dharma Gurus, they are struggling from their lives, as many of the Dharma Gurus are struggling with disease.